Meghalaya ban ipdiang sngobhai phibaro shagathop khubor metaga janmin shwaban phaj ki khubor ki babdia ingi pechwai ke mat bokongsan let penya so biang u senate zangma shakaseng congress smai ban pin ke im biang yakaseng ha Meghalaya ya chakmat ke jingpen kre na kabanta ka national games ha Meghalaya shen and sawan jurip ka Indian Olympic Association gijing ya ki jingpen kre pentikna ka sarkar ban penyat hi ya ketura medical college penpau jing smokia menteri ka sarkar uba wailat mikishala halor ke jing shapit po ikibriu ki bangat ha jing pang HIV Lechong ka president Draupadi Murmu ha galing sin thma Rafael ban penpau ya kadak jing jing kiu kari hakikam yadari Bat yokur ka Shano Chelsea manda sangma ya katak maksia ha ka Meghalaya Bodybuilding Championship. Mentang ini pej iki kubor babnya ha gajala. Unong yalam barim kaseng TMC usenit en sangma. Ulalet ban penyeso biang no shakaseng Indian National Congress menta kasngi. Ha kajingalang kabala penlong hanong ba shilong. Ha kani kajingalang kabala ya donlang dagi nong yalam barang ba kaseng Congress usangma ulapen pau ba unsa IT med bat mensim na kabenta kaseng bat smairu ba unsa treshitom ban pen KM ya kaseng ha gajala Meghalaya. Kamtam harilum garu. Kajingwan pai gajong u kala I mensim ya kaseng ba kanla ban kikli biang sashisien ha gajala. Menteri Bakmi ya katanat Sports and Youth Affairs uba wailat mikishala ulapen bana bagajing penkre na kabenta ka National Games kaban sepen long ha Meghalaya hapo kini ki Arsenal ki banwan kala yad bet yadenti ka sarkar kala det ban pelait ya kapisa na kabenta ban shnai gijing tei bat ban ai jing hikai ya kinong ye shimbenta uba shela ulayathu ba yamenta ka sarkar kala mang khambun kapisa na kabenta ki kam sport bat shen ke Indian Olympic Association ru kan sawan ban jurip halor gajing ya gijing pentre ya ki kam
have disbursed the first installment to all the association in order to procure the infrastructure, the equipment for training and all. And then as for the infrastructure, now it is going on, but we are still in that stage because as you think you already aware that Meghalaya is at the same time like few of the northeastern state will be co-hosted this national game. So there are few events to be held in the few states, so they are yet to finalize on that. So we are waiting on that. So then only we can finalize that what more infrastructure we need to come up. The ministry that they really want like to be some the northeastern state to be a part of it. So because we want to take it as like as a northeast for this.
Ka sarkar Meghalaya kala shim ya karai ba ka sarkar kan shimti ban penyat ya ketura medical college bat wenglo i gijing tmu bakam hashwa ban pentri kam da ka PPP mood hadien balami gijing persha na ki ba menteri bakmi ya katanat ka kwat ka khia uba wailat mikishala ula pentikna ba shen ansas dangno i gijing thungkam hadien ba gijing pentre kala chandem Kumban syukudau ki kelas na kabenta ke Shillong Medical College ladap ban sedang kat baya ke Medical College Hajawai kadang don hapring gijing penben uba shela ulapen paru i gijing smokia halor gijing nangkio jeng gijing pang HIV AIDS hagajala bat kentu ya ki imlang sa lang ba kenum iben lani petpo ya ki bangat ya kini gijing pang da ka bapen paru ba kaladon gijing ja sha be school ya iwe na ki kena ibalangat ya gijing pang HIV
In anything when you start, there will be challenges. I hope with many other colleges, I think it's the same thing. But it is the commitment of the government and will continue to do so. And that's why like now also we are trying to get with the other faculty from other state. So but in the meantime, I'm quite happy that maximum of the faculty which we have now in Shillong Medical College are from Meghalaya. So maximum of them. So I hope that most of them are from here. So definitely they will love to see that our medical college perform. But in the meantime, we are no doubt there are more that need to be brought. So we are still we are working on that. I will be the happiest person if that the medical college will come to Jowai. But at the same time, I also means like we have to understand also. Even I think we are very fortunate enough out of like Meghalaya. If you think 5 years ago, that not even a single medical college was there. But now, all thanks to the leadership of our honorable chief minister and the former health minister, now we could see that 3 medical colleges are here in Meghalaya. So urge them that you should change the way you used to before. So means like we have to think like from their end also, that how like we should at the same time focus on giving awareness even the people who don't have HIV, how we have to accept them. They also have the right to live. So that's why means like I told them that we should come up with more awareness program where awareness will be given to both sides, not only to HIV patients, but to other the citizen of the state also, that they should work hand in hand. Then only we'll be able to solve this problem.
Kaseng National People's Party hapo gajialam jong u Dr. Don Kuparwar kilalet banyakendu ye u Chief Electoral Officer u BDR Tiwari henen kasni ban penpau ye kejing sngokia halor kejing penrung kerteng kabakerpang haka electoral roll kabala terwa da ka election commission jangkari India kaseng kalekentu ba omdei ban thliathan ye ki kot jengki brio ki basyong hagi jakan nong kendong bat dei ban pediang ya ka sernat bekiyo na ki dor barsnong lani ki nokma bat kumju ya ka sernat baptisma lani ka sernat jerkhun u CEO ula penshai ba ya gejala Meghalaya om syam lakentup hakikat artadi gejala ki bala penlong ya gejing penrung kerteng ka bakerpang
นี่นักเรียนกับปาร์ตี้นี่สงบบางทีเป็นอายแต่ยิงท่อนักบันการคำใช้ที่เอกจริงบัตรไทยที่ตรงนี้บักจริงกว่าที่ตรงนี้แต่น้ำมันบริกว่ากันนี่ก็บางอีก็ list of documents กี่บุญกี่ documents ว่าอย่างตัวเลเซียกี่ละบันดอนบัดบุญคำตั้มกี่ฉันบันดองเลเซียยอกี่ละบันดอนกี่ documents แต่อยากไอ้ documents มีอันนี้ต้องดีเท่าแต่บารอกี่เนี่ยยอแต่ได้เขาตายจะลง concern ตรงนี้นังบากันนี่กันจริงกันนี่ก็ SIR บักดังเละAsia State Meghalaya maksud kapal long mentah kalau adian menrei menrenbiang pai proses pen ai lupai kijing ai jut tungi ngilale ai kata kenang malak ban num bendu enu ram menrei ban include ban kentup lang ya baru kenang bagi yo ka hok doki boleh ban tabut bendu kan tang ila pesuh ni ba ngi la pesuh kijing tho tungi ba ke bendon di ka kata pen simno ni bilang kumki baptism certificate ani ki jerkon certificate bagi ai ki nyak mo de kana kata la se kala ya
Kasorkar Meghalaya henen kasi kalapalaj padba ya ka scheme Aadhaar Mission Mode Project lani Aadhaar MMP 2.0 bat ka scheme Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana lani PMUY 3.0 khnang ba kan yarap ban pensuk igi padba nong shongshnang ka scheme PMUY 3.0 kan sa ai LPG gas connection a igi padba ki bahap apo ka BPL katba ka Aadhaar MMP 2.0 kan pensuk igi padba ban le ya ka KYC lengba ka internet na ka benta ki kat Russian ki bahab hapo ka NFSA Menteri ke Sarkar uba Methodius Dekar ula pentip balabu ikatarik bakhadu banle ya ke KYC bat mahamru ba kitu ki bom wanle ya ke KYC kendo igijing mentoy banyo ya ukhaw bat ki we gi jajing bam ki bajuyo na ki dukan Russian.
And we are here to serve with dignity, and we are here to do our duty to the citizens of our state. As we are aware that under the National Food Security Act, every eligible person in Meghalaya, he has the right to receive food grains on time and every month without any hurdles. And that is not the favor that the government is doing. It's not only the favor that the government is doing, but that is the right of every citizen of our country and the citizen of our state. And it is also the responsibility of each and every one of us to deliver the right of the people of our society.
Ka North East Network lani NEN henen ka sngi kala penlong ya gijing pen I kitiar bala pen mi da kinong rap na kathany West but Eastern West Khasi Hills ha Savior Hall dhankati hapo kapang pedeng visibilize women's work strengthened communities la penlong ya kani ka program kum kadak barakhe ya ka International Day of Rural Women and Home Based Workers Day hakani ka sngi la sakiru ya gijing pen I ya gichan balathan but so de kibriu ki batrei na layeng ki Nakathan East Khasi Hills. Ka coordinator ka NEN ka kong Yai Manda E Rengsai kala banjur halor ke jingkong san jengilong kemi ban penda penbiang yala ka chong ka yeng kasem.
Organize the launching program of products, of value-added products, which has been made by our women farmers groups from West Khasi Hills District and Eastern West Khasi Hills District, and also the woolen and tailored products of our survivors group and home-based workers group here in Shillong East Khasi Hills District. So the main purpose of today's celebration is for us to be able to recognize the crucial role that women farmers and home-based workers play in ensuring food security, in diversified livelihood, in fostering resilient communities, and also in stewarding natural resource regeneration. Because even despite the role that they play in the community, despite the contributions that they've made, and despite Meghalaya being a matrilineal society, we still see that women still face systemic barriers, which includes lack of access in decision making over land, and also in various other decision making platforms. And we also see that they still face many barriers and challenges when it comes to access to financial services and also their entitlements.
Ka Khasi Students Union kala penlong ya gejing rakhi ya ka Anti-uranium Day henen ka sngi hadom ya set Southwest Khasi Hills kum kadak ban kan mau burom ya gid lengkho sngi ya chong ime I spility lengdo langrin ibala yang persha banti ya uranium kinong ya lam kaseng KSU ki bakan thop ya uba biang bor paler bad uba F nongrem kila ai burom halor ka jinglong shlur jong ini ime I ban yang scam hala ka nongrem ban persha ya gejing ti ya uranium la penlong ya kani gejing yalang ban ai men sim ki bahayeng jong I bad ya ke em lang sa lang ban yai beteng ban yang persha ya gejing tmu ti uranium ha ka than
ngai eso ngai I ya kata kajing persati uranium juga rai ko abang kena pasai buat lum persa arsap peni lagi kam om bancukan tanda kaktian peni ya kata kajing surban kajing nur kajing fi habale bani ka benta bar kajing dan jika kato kan ni kilang yong kita kimersiang di wilayah Teleng Kedong Nasional ban pensu tu bakla ban ya salah nak yang jo kasen ka pak tangoi ka kumpul ki kala kababod lem kota kisamla basyur berbasyrang jogajat beliau kisah jubab datin ya kikam kibal lamle ke jongpi
mentangin ya pashwa shipor shaki jingpen bana
एक जमाने से कहानी है सुना रही आकाशवाणी फिर आया एंटरटेनमेंट का रेवोल्यूशन जब कोने कोने पहुंचा दूरदर्शन कहानी नहीं बदली स्टाइल गया है बदल जो कहानियां हम सुनते आए देखते आए अब वही वैसी ही कहानी सुनाएगा डिजिटल
डाउनलोड वेव्स OTT ऐप नाउ एंड वॉच फॉर फ्री
mentangin beteng biang yaki kubor badangsa ka All China Master Roll Workers Union kala ai por ya ka sarkar Meghalaya shitayo bakan ai da gijing tho halor ka jing bampat yo ya ka area changkinong bala bat ban penthamai ya ka variable dearness allowance lani VDA u president ka union uma kro parian ula pen pau gijing smau diaw halor gijing pen slam jo ka sarkar ban siu ya ka area wat hadian ba lai kenduk bun sin bat ki bahe ka seng kala kentaj ya gijing karpat jo ka sarkar ban ai por biang bat berngem bakan pen senge lut igijing trekam habaro kawe kejela lani kan ai da kamukot duma lada ka sorkar kam sngap ya kaba kidawa ya gijing yalang habaro kawe kejela labu ban penlong ha ka lai tarik unai wing ha shillong press club ban shimrai halor gazin jam kaban wan
ni income pedang ya kani nilai keren bonsin ni bakat kum ke minimum wages act 1948 kala keren shine by ka floor rate ka badai ban penke ban revise man la asan snam dai ban affect na 6 October na ka ne ka taksan snam te ni ganam pedang ya kani ga fi anu strict January kadai ban like kum ka ta rules dengan minimum wages act kayaknya keren saya meneng keren ini wetho yang ba yakane ka banta ba ka government of Meghalaya kala dan trekam no January yakane ka ban trekam no October arja arpulai ko ngin hab ban bat biang
La penlong ya ka program IG hikai halor ka an ha ka shnang yong kalu East China Hills Dhaka District Legal Services Authority ringkat gajing trelang bat ka wapung CNRD block katkum gajing betha Dhaka Nalza ha ka nia ka program la yo jing penshai halor ki an bayadei bat ka Pokso Act bat ka an shongkha khna bat kumju halor gajing pang HIV AIDS kiriu shempang ki bala IG kren ki kenthop ya uba one the job di simply bat uba mesan dekhar ki bala kren halor gajing ya dai ki khulung khna ka hok ka jongki bat ban nam pet po iwe ha ka imlang sa lang kinong mi khmat na ka DDU GKY ru kilawan lang ha ka ni gajing lang ban penshai pet ba halor gi chai training bat ki ai bat kumnu ki ai bat plelat ye ki samla nong kendong ban yo kam yo jam ka District Disaster Management Authority Eastern West Khasi Hills kala rakhi ya ka National Day for Disaster Reduction da ka penlong ya ka program ha DC Office Multi Purpose Hall Maukasa hakani ka program lawan di shimenta de ki he officer kinong hikai bat ki samla puli hakani ka sngi ka Red Cross Society kala IG hikai kumno ban pendan kam ya ka first aid katba ka fire and emergency service kala IG hikai kumno ban yada lada chia bapluding haba IG kren u ADC uba inong bri ula banjuri kinong trai habaro ka we ka block paken long ki bala pen kre lada wanjia kanu ge jing nang shop kamaryang lani kinu ki jingja bakarki Ladeb ban penkre ban pleno ya gajing ele kai paragliding ha gajala Meghalaya ha kaba ka Meghalaya Paragliding Association kala deb ban penkre ban ple ya kani ka chaching ele kai ka ban pen kende men sim ya kiba 1% gajala Meghalaya ka byang bha na ka banta kani ka chaching ele kai na ka daw baki don yeshibun ki jaka lum bat ki jaka them tungin yakmi company halor kani ka khubor
Hapo ka jingalang jang president ka association Nikolai Singh ubade pilot padu he officer bala chong that ka Indian Air Force haringkat badu general secretary uba pajak pengro lawan ra ya kani ka jingale kai ha ka jilla ta ka jingtmu bankan tiu ki kam jong kai kinong penyat kani ka jingale kai kila ong ba un sepentri kam ya ka hadin bala penbet penbiang bahai kitiar ki balong shingan bad hapo ka jingmi jong ki briu ki bala shampang Using ulo ong basyan ka jala Meghalaya kan sa pau haka map jongkari haka bayadei bat kani ka jingale kai. Kani ka association ka tumuro banwanra ika paragliding competition jong ka national level hang ni hanong ba Shillong haka balakmi ilanti ba ansawan ba ni shimbanta taki pilot nakatanat shipay ka Indian Army ka Indian Air Force bat ki jala ba per.
MPA is always called for search operations and various activities in the country. We have gone to various states to promote the tourism flying there also, but never had the opportunity of doing the same in our own state. But now everything has come together and we are happy. We would love to invite the public and the tourists now to please come to Meghalaya. If you want to learn. You want to do joyrides, do joyrides. We have a beautiful landscape out here. Flying in Meghalaya is one of the best things to have in India. There are so many locations out here which are not even explored. We are organizing a competition soon, so Indian pilots will come here to Meghalaya to fly in a professional way. We have the army unit out here. We are expecting the Air Force to come also. It is going to be good. Now Meghalaya will grow in this line, sir.
our main motive is, to get more students to join our organization and teach them, the locals from our state, to teach them about this particular sport. And yes, once I think we have a good team, we can start with the joyrides and all, but we have to have a good team first.
Uba pengrop ula ong baka jingile kai paragliding tang baka de kechat jingile kai ke ban sepen kende mensim Henry kan kentiru iki kam jungok kai ha ke jella ki armut ki samla ke jella ki bade ki pilot kata usamla Maxwell pengrop bat usamla Jovel El Lalu ro kinis nok ti lang ban kentiru kan kechat jingile kai ha ke jella tak ba pen pau ba ke jinglong jingman jongki jaka kani kathan bat ke jingtrang jongki samla banwan persang ye kani kechat jingile kai kan sepen long ye kani ke jing tlu ka bajam ki jaka ki balajit ben pentri kam ye kani ke jingile kai ki long ha ulum rapleng bat ha ka shnong maulen dam ka badan marjan bat kanong ba shilong ha ka ba ka jing persang ban pen her na ki te kilom kala dak sedang
I started this last year, month of January. Got my training done from Mumbai. So ever since I came back after my training, I've been flying here. When I started, it has always been alone. I've always been flying alone. There were paragliding pilots here, but paramotoring, I've not met anyone. And I've just met Banik, he's one of our oldest pilot here in Meghalaya. Ever since I met him, we've really started, getting into this association thing which he has formed since back in 2009, I think, 9 or 10, yeah. So now we are trying to bring this up again, trying to get more members in our association who are interested in the sports. So I've been into paragliding for 6 years now, from 2019. So when I had started alone. I would keep going outside the state for practicing and everything, and it took a lot to do it as well. And I had to keep going out, come back, going out, come back and all. So for me, it came as a dream actually to fly, to experience the joy of flight and everything. And with consistency and hard work, I've come to this level, and I'm still progressing and trying to be in the expert level. So in Shillong, I see there's a huge potential because we have a lot of mountains which has a potential to do paragliding and other adventure sports and aero sports as well. But we need to have a dedicated team and everything and all that to really bring this forward and to make it a success.
Ka association kala penting kinaru bahadian balas dang ye ketika judging ele kai an sepen biang lod ye ki judging ya da baru banlat nakanu kanu kejing mensa bat kumjo kinbu lagi kinbuan ki balat tebet ban ajing kai hasyaban penlong ye kejing penhe. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Mentangin ya page kubor nakatan chatay lamingi. Menteri Rangba ka Arunachal Pradesh Pema Khandu ula play perda ya ka National School Games arajar arpusan ka bahnre phokndai na ka benta kishan rangbat kanthai ki ba po karta bakhat nyosnem chong gajingele kai boxing ha khelo indoor stadium Itanagar. Kania ka day ka sin baningkong ba ka Arunachal Pradesh kan penlong ya kania ka jingele kai ha ka history ba nyopwes nem chong ka School Games Federation of India. Khandu ula ong ba ka long gajing sngo sarong da ka ba penpau ya gajing kio jong gajing job chong gajala ha gajing ele kai kum ka taekwondo wushu bat boxing nadu balarung ha ka SGFI house nem arajar khandai gajala Arunachal kala kio bha ha gajing penroi ya gajing ele kai ha ki school mentang ya pai shaki kubor hakari. Mentakasni ka Presiden kari India ka Draupadi Murmu kala syong da kaling suintma Rafael na Ambala Air Force Station bad kadai ka Presiden India ka beningkong banle yakani. Kum ka Supreme Commander chong katanat sipai kani kadai ka sin baar yaka ba kala syong ha kaling suintma chong ka Indian Air Force ha ka ba hausnam arachar arpulai kala syong teng ha kaling sun Sukhoi 30 MKI. Menteri Rang Baduk Kari Narendra Modi mentakasi ulalet Shamambai banya shimbenta ha gajing rakhi ya ke India Maritime Week arajar apusan ka badai gajing alang ka balawan di shimbenta dapalat shilak ngut kinang mikmat naki prabusan teli kiri ha kani gajing alang andan ru palat sans pangut ki briu ki banwan pen inam ya ki chat tiar baper ha kan UNESCO Exhibition Center umudi unsa ajing kren shikinang mikmat nakakat duriau bad hadian kani unsa penya ya gajing alang jangka global Maritime CEO Forum. Hagani gajialang kabanne sansni. Kabala sedang hakasni nengkong. An saya merjing mud halor kumno ban penbha yikikat duriau. Kajing penmi yaki boarding bom kta yaka mariang. Bat bantau syuk-syuk yaki chat thma na kabenta kishipai duriau. Mentangin ya pash kubor na keleng kapertai. Ki shipai yadari jangka Israel kila penlong ya gajing herthma da kiling sun ha Gaza ha ka ba khandai ngut ki briu kila yam hadian ba ka Hamas kala pen ken ya gajing asian kani gajing herthma ka long hadian ba menteri rang ba du jangkari Israel u Benjamin Netanyahu ulah hukum ban pen herkput ha ka ba ki he sarkar jangka Israel kila kam ba ki Hamas kila herthma ya gi jaka shipai hajan Rafa da ki RPG bat ki nong siat ki batbin Menteri Jangkatanat Yadari Jangka Israel Ugats Ulamaham yagi jingma bashir kei. Kani ke jing herthma kalatmu ban thambor ya kanong ba Gaza bat ka marjan jangka ka ai sabra bat kan Yunis ka Hamas kala kentaj yagi te gijing keno bat kala keno kala ba ka Israel kala penken yagi ni gijing ate gular. Mentangin ya paish ki kubor ya lekai. Kajing lekai Inter-Office Futsal Tournament kabaar kelas dang henen kesni ha Lionel Futsal Arena Pendengrai ha kabala penlong ya kini kajing lekai daka Futsal Association jangka West Khasi Hills District. Lapli pada ya kini kajing lekai dai N Wanyang ha kabala don lai pesantli kiken hun ki balawan ya shimbenta na ki office sarkar baper. Ha kaba ha ka kerdan jugi kentai ladon prangut kat ba ha ka kerdan ki shenrang ladon arpu nyongun. Hakani kasngi pili ki nong trei jangka tanat ka kwat ka kia kila penliam ya ki pulit jangka district da iwei lanot kat ba ki nong trei jangka tanat fisheries kila penliam ya ka MEGHALAYA home card da iwei lanot ikong wanyang ila banjur halor ka jingdan kam ka kwat ka kia da ka bakdaw ya ka Fit India Movement jang menteri rang Baduk Kari Narendra Modi ban pensilori ki nong trei sarkar ban iet iki kami lekai na ka benta ka jingko jingkia bat ban lait na gijing kuslai. Ka Shano Chelsea Manda Sangma kala yok khur ya katak maksiar ha ka kerdan jangka Women's Best Physique category ha annual MEGHALAYA Bodybuilding competition ka pasapo khandai ka bala penlong ha shilong ka balong ka jingjap ka ba ar hadian ka jingjap jangka ha usnam arajar arpusau ka Shano ka balong tangmaka ka kentai garu ka balai shibenta kala penpau ya gajing sngow sarong banyo igani gajing job bat ban mi khmat ya gajat ben riu jangka ha ka basdang jang gajing ya denti jangka ha usnam arajar arpulai kala yo igajing job klem da yo igajing hikai ke babiang Henry menta ka Shano kala thmu ban yakun ha gajing yakop national level bat ka kermen bagani gajing job jangka kan aimen sim ya ke babun ki kentai ban shibenta ha gani gajing pen iksa lani ka bodybuilding.
Overwhelmed and obviously excited, and by the grace of God and my hard work and dedication, I have won this first prize today, and I am very, very happy for that. I feel proud of myself representing Garo Hills because there are a lot of people who are willing to come into this sport, yet they don't have enough guidance, and I feel like I have been an inspiration for the youth of the Garo Hills, especially for women, because people still stigmatize bodybuilding in Garo Hills, and I think I am breaking this stigmas by representing the Garos on this stage.
Tim tapat ini pet igijing long jing man jong ka sun beneng hakel leng ki benta jong ka jela. hatura kajing shet kalong arpo pra degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong arpo a degree Celsius kajing sngem ka hau kalong repo pra na kashispa haba phai pat chanong ba shilong kajing shet kalong arpo lai degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong arpo degree Celsius kajing sngem ka hau kalong nyo na kashispa kat ba hajowai kajing shet kalong arpo saw degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong arpo we degree Celsius kajing sngem ka hau kalong nyo pusan na kashispa kasin beneng kanrang hatura shilong bat jowai Shwaban poi sha ka bakut chong ka thuk kubon ni pet biang sa shisien yakimat bakongsan. Let pen yasok biang usanit sangma sha ka seng Congress smai ban pen KM biang ya ka seng Kamikalia. Yad shakmat ka jing pen kre na ka benta ka National Games Kamikalia shen an sawan jurip ka Indian Olympic Association ya ka jing yad ka jing pen kre. Pentikna ka sorkar ban penyat hi ya ketura Medical College penpau jing smokia menteri ka sorkar uba wailat niki shela halor ke jing sha petko yaki brio ke bangat ag jing pang HIV Letchong ka President Draupadi Murmu ha ka ling swing khmar Rafael ban penpau ya kedak jang jing kio kari hakikam yadari Bad yokur kashanu Chelsea manda sangma ya katak maksiar ha Kamikalia Bodybuilding Championship. Ti paralok katungila poisha ka bakut chong katuk kubo jingi mentaga jan lihat hadu bangin de shembiang bat pila shai keski kablai pi baro.